Oh, it's on.
Alright. Hello, this is Cadet First Lieutenant Shamlin for informational video for Marine Corps Junior ROTC program Talk with High School site. In this video, we'll be going over how to roll sleeves. As you can see, I have the blouse set on the table face down. That way I can flip bottom over to where just to where the service tape shows. Service tape will say MCJROTC on it, or if you're active duty, it would say Marines. The reason we do this is so that we can start getting a natural fold on the sleeve. That way we can just fold it to a halfway point. From there, we'll take the wrist, this brace, and we'll just fold that over once. From there, we'll just start tucking it in, nice and neatly. Of course, when it's tucked in, it's not always going to come out neat. So to keep that from happening, to make it stay looking neat, take our free hand and we'll clean it up. Typically, you would have an iron with you so that you can iron at each fold. You do this until you either get a small triangle or it covers the part of a pocket. I'd like to have it cover the pocket flat because that looks better, looks more professional. With each fold, you just continue folding it over and tucking it in. Do this as many times as it takes. It's a simple repetitive process. So fold, tuck, clean up, fold, tuck, clean up. You will, you would typically have starch with you. To just let you guys know, with Cadet, recording this video right now is Cadet First Lieutenant Castro.
Oh my god. Bro, why you gotta say that?
What? I'd like them to know who's involved. Since the actual channel media guy is not available right now.
Who's the actual channel media guy?
Cadet Blaze. I don't have his rank right now.
Isn't he Sergeant Major?
Remember, he left the program last year. And
I know, but he would still be a Sergeant Major though.
We don't always have him keep the rank. Sometimes we get demoted a bit since we can only have a company Sergeant Major.
Really?
Yeah, so he's probably like Staff Sergeant or something right now.
Nah, I think he's still Sergeant Major though. Cause
well, we'll find out when I talk to him.
Yeah.
I mean, he does still have a Sergeant Major warrant, so possibly. Let's see, so this will be the first of many. Let's see, future videos will include how to prepare your cover, how to blouse your boots, how to prepare your trousers and all that. There will also be many drill videos with this channel. So, as you can see, the sleeves looking decent. Could look better. Like I said, it would look better if I had an iron. Nice, repetitive process. Clean it up, fold over. We'll make this the last fold. If you're doing it right, you'll have a little slit right here for you to tuck your excess into. That way, you can keep a nice square shape. Now, the sleeve doesn't look perfect, it looks decent. Ironing it would look much better, but like I said, I don't have an iron available right now. You do that on both sleeves, trying to keep them even. And I'll try to keep them even, try to keep them good. That way when you wear it, it's worn properly. And that's just how you roll sleeves.
Do I hit the minus?